मेरा नाम फैसल सुहेल है and I am part of Interflow Group for the last 2.5 years. Yeah, I'm working as a senior account manager and my job is to manage projects. When I was I was not in those days when I was not on KESC account, I had the same perception about the KESC, like a lot of people still, the consumers still have in their mind. But then after working on KESC, by the time when I've been through with the trainings, I've been through with each and every department, I saw a lot of people working, and especially right after the new management working, and the intentions and the motivation they have right now to to provide electricity as much as possible at its best. Then I realized, okay, this is not exactly what we've been thinking. They are still striving, KESC is still striving to do its best, and they will definitely, they'll be able to overcome that issue very shortly. For example, if I talk about theft campaign, in that campaign our core objective was like people, consumers, वो बिजली की चोरी को they never perceive बिजली की चोरी as a चोरी. They think कि बिजली की चोरी जो है वो it's their right, which is not, which is wrong. So just to make our consumers realize at least कि यार बिजली की चोरी भी चोरी ही है, और बिजली की चोरी से जो नुकसान हो रहा है वो हमारा अपना नुकसान है. हम खुद बिजली की चोरी करते हैं और हम खुद ही उसका नुकसान भी भुगतते हैं, और वो नुकसान हमारे सामने होता है. KESC को उस बिजली की चोरी से जो लॉसेस होते हैं, उन्हीं लॉसेस की वजह से हम लोगों तक फिर नहीं पहुंचती. तो ये एक वजह है जिसकी वजह से हम लोग इस वक्त ये एक कैंपेन कर रहे हैं, और इसके अलावा बाकी कैंपेन्स भी, हर कैंपेन का कोई ना कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है. वी एज एन एजेंसी एंड कम्युनिकेशन पार्टनर्स, we are trying to contribute as much as possible to help the consumers to understand KESC's point of view and the change which has happened in KESC, and the betterment which is underway in KESC right now, which is again to achieve the outcome of bringing or making Karachi as a city of light again.